Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Netflix. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Netflix account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Netflix login. After searching for Netflix login, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which is login Netflix. So just tap on that option. After tapping on that option, in order to log into your account, you have to enter your email or phone number and then enter your password. Just simply enter your email and your password. After entering your email and password, now just tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on need help. And after tapping on need help, you will easily reset or recover your password by creating a new one. After creating a new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created and tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in you will successfully sign into your account. So here you can see guys, after entering your email and password, you have successfully logged into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your Netflix. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.